everyone. You know, as we dive into 2024, it's hard to shake off the feeling that things haven't exactly been sunshine and rainbows lately. Life's thrown some serious curveballs, and let's face it, we're not exactly where we thought we'd be by now. But hey, if you're watching this, you've probably felt that lingering sense of dissatisfaction too. So, buckle up because today, we're going to talk about self-improvement, and not the sugar-coated version. No fluff, no fancy promises, just raw, unfiltered tips on how to crawl out of that 2023 slump and make something out of 2024. Here are some tips to help you on your way. Tips 1. Confront your demons. Alright, let's start with the uncomfortable stuff. It's time to confront your demons. We all have them, those nagging doubts, regrets, and mistakes that haunt our thoughts. Instead of pretending they don't exist, let's face them head-on. Take a moment to reflect on your past and acknowledge those lingering issues. By addressing them, you're taking the first step toward clearing the path for personal growth. Tips 2. Accept imperfections. Now, let's talk about imperfections. Forget about the Instagram perfect life, reality is messy. Embrace your imperfections, and don't be afraid to show them. Understand that you're not flawless, and that's perfectly okay. In 2024, let's stop chasing an idealized version of ourselves and accept who we are, warts and all. By embracing your true self, you'll find a newfound sense of authenticity and inner strength. Tips 3. Cut toxicity. Toxicity, whether it's toxic people, habits, or mindsets, it's time to cut them loose. Identify what's dragging you down and hindering your progress. Whether it's a negative friendship, a destructive habit, or a mindset that limits your potential, make the decision to let go. Surround yourself with positivity, and ruthlessly declutter anything that's holding you back. Your journey to self-improvement starts with creating a healthy and uplifting environment. Tips 4. Embrace discomfort. Improvement often comes from pushing boundaries. It's time to step out of that comfort zone. Embrace discomfort, try new things, and take risks. Growth rarely happens in the safety of the familiar. Challenge yourself to explore uncharted territories, both mentally and physically. Whether it's learning a new skill, taking on a new project, or initiating a difficult conversation, stepping into the unknown can lead to remarkable personal development. Tips 5. Take ownership. Let's talk ownership. It's easy to blame external factors, but in 2024, let's take responsibility for our lives. Own your choices, whether they are good or bad. It's time to stop being a passenger and start being the driver of your own destiny. By taking ownership, you gain control over your decisions, leading to a more empowered and intentional life. Remember, the power to shape your future lies in your hands. So, there you have it, unfiltered tips on how to improve yourself in 2024. No promises of instant success or magical transformations. It's going to be tough, uncomfortable, and downright messy, but hey, that's life. Let's face it together. If you're ready to roll up your sleeves and get down to the nitty-gritty of self-improvement, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into 2024 head first.